Sometimes the artists them need some prayer from the fans them. And in this case, it's the Dr. Beenieman. So his mother suffered a severe stroke and she's recovering. Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Dr. Beenieman mother. So yesterday Beenieman posted a video of his mother along with a caption. I have that video and that caption for you. So I'm going to show you what's going on. So like I was saying in the beginning of the video, she suffered a stroke and she's currently recovering. You know, and Beenieman a big man, so his mother a big woman. So we understand with age certain illness might come, but that doesn't make it any easier to accept it. So I'm going to show you the video where Beenieman posts, and then I'm going to read the caption, and I'm going to show some of my people and we support him, and we're going to ask for your support and give my support as well. Alright, here is the video.
So to start now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sit down.
So yes, people, at some point in our lives, something like this happen or go happen to we. So it's just that it happened to Dr. Beenieman right now. You see me, I say, we still have to give thanks, same having mother, you know what I mean? Because, you know, like other entertainer now, for them mother, we don't know about like Bounty Killer, you know what I mean? Rest in peace, Miss Ivy, as a legend. So I'm going to tell you what Beenieman posts as a caption with this video. So him say, struck by a strokes months ago, to see her trying to stand gives me the greatest joy, and me just want to share it with my fans them. Hashtag King Beenieman, hashtag Beenieman, hashtag God bless all. Prayers are welcomed. Okay, so the entertainer them get in the comment section, you know, camera icon. If you don't know him, I'm sing I'm so clean, so saucy, and him send some prayer. And you know, up that boss TJ, you don't know him from Ramesh Camp, him send some prayers too. And then the angel comment and say, this brought tears to my eyes, and that's very understandable, being that she is the grandmother of the angel's son. And you have Versatile Music and Spragga Benz, just to name a few. There were more, but you know what I mean, we can go up on Beenieman Instagram and check it out if you want to see more. We can't put everybody on the list, but this was just a top few. So right now, I just want to send my blessings to also to the Dr. Beenieman, you know what I mean, and wish your mother a speedy recovery. So me I say, if you go from a stroke to trying to stand is an achievement in itself, because enough people get stroke and lay down in a bed, enough people get strokes and now recover from it, none at all. So me I say, and you know what I mean, if she try like him say, it bring joy to him heart, even though him know our situation. So what I want to ask you if you do, please get in the comment section and send some blessings for Beenieman and his family. You know what I mean? Wish him mother a speedy recovery as well. You know what I mean? Sometimes them little things help, you know. Especially if people can get for sure and tell her, say, you know, Beenieman fans them a pray for her and thing, which you might know already. But it might help, we never know. So other than that, if it's your first time on this page and you haven't liked and followed the page, please like and follow the page. And if you're watching on YouTube and it's your first time and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for daily updates. Thank you.